Join us for a delightful musical journey with CeCe and her little cat Coco as they explore the world of melodies and friendship. CeCe, a cheerful little girl, is in her colorful room filled with musical instruments and toys. CeCe, hi, friends. Today, we are going to have a musical adventure with my cat Coco. Coco, the playful cat, jumps onto the piano keys, creating a playful tune. CeCe giggles. Oh, Coco, you have such a musical paw. CeCe and Coco explore different musical instruments in the room: drums, xylophone, and a guitar. As CeCe and Coco play the instruments, magical music notes begin to fill the room. The notes form a colorful trail, leading them to a mysterious door. CeCe and Coco open the door to find themselves in an enchanting world filled with singing animals and dancing trees. Through the magical door, CeCe and Coco stepped into a world of melody and wonder. CeCe and Coco join the singing animals and start singing along, creating a beautiful harmony. The animals are delighted to have new friends join in. As the song ends, the magical music notes guide CeCe and Coco back to their room. CeCe and Coco wave goodbye to their new friends, grateful for the musical adventure. CeCe and Coco sit back in their room, smiling. CeCe, what an amazing musical adventure, Coco. Coco purrs contentedly, and they playfully high-five each other. And so, CeCe and Coco's musical adventure came to an end, leaving them with joyful memories and a stronger bond than ever.